Hi everyone! Magandang umaga sa inyo. Kamusta kayo? Ha? So, napanood nyo na ba yung ating individual zodiac readings about Virgo? Okay. Kung hindi pa, please do watch. Okay. Na-upload ko na siya sa ating channel kay Leluna. Okay. So, today, let's go for pick a card reading ulit. Okay. So, pakikiligin ko muna kayo. Sana kiligin kayo. Okay, guys. So, wag na natin patagalin. Topic natin for today, sino ang may crush sa'yo? Oh, sino ang may crush sa'yo? Crush is paghanga, okay. It could be hinahangaan ka nitong person for some reasons. Maybe your attractiveness, okay, your personality. So, titingnan natin sino ang may crush sa'yo. And sana malaman natin, makita natin, bakit kanya crush. Okay. So, in front of you, we have two piles. So, dating gawi. Pile number 1 and pile number 2. So, our pile composed of tarot card, oracle cards, okay. Para malaman natin kung sino ba ang may crush sa'yo. Okay, so, pile number 1, pile number 2. So, pili na kayo kung anong pile yung sa tingin ninyo magre-resonate sa inyo. Okay, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Okay, pili na kayo guys. So, while I'm sipping my coffee, pili na kayo kung anong pile. This is pile number 1, pile number 2. Okay, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, tingnan natin, pile number 1. Sino ba ang may crush sa'yo? So, titingnan natin, sino ba ang may crush kay pile number 1? Again, guys, take what's resonate. Energy is vice versa. Okay. Pwede kong ma-distinguish ang isang person. Although she is a female, mas malakas yung masculine energy niya. Okay. It could be yun yung aura niya or yung energy or personality niya, while the other one, pwede kong distinguish as masculine, pero basta vice versa. Okay. It could be a male but mas angat ang feminine side niya. So, ganon. Okay. Take what resonate, guys. So, meron tayong isang love oracle advice, okay, or message para kay pile number 1. Okay, so tingnan natin. Sino ang may crush sa'yo, pile number 1? Okay. 10 of Pentacles. Earth sign, okay. Okay. So, po pwedeng pile number 1, you are a family man or woman, okay. So, pwedeng family, kakilala to ng family nyo, okay, a family friend, okay. Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. So, pwedeng nakakabatian mo na to. Nakakabatian, kasama sa community, okay. Or it could be if you are a mother or a father, po pwedeng meron akong nakita na kung kasama ka sa PTA, halimbawa, guys, kapag sinabi naman kasi natin crush, it could be you're married right now, tapos po pwede namang may humahanga lang sa'yo. Kasi kung paano palakihin yung anak mo, okay, or kung nakikita ka nila siguro palagi sa school kapag inahatid sundo mo yung anak mo, okay, and it could be in another parent also, okay, or masculine or feminine, okay, babae o lalaki, it could be, okay. Or siguro nakikita ka itong person na to na you are happily married, okay, with children, okay. And hinahangaan ka nito kung paano mo palakihin yung mga anak mo. Maybe this is a family friend also, okay? Ang crush naman kasi guys, naniwala ko is paghanga kasi yon. Okay. So, earth sign. The star. This person is wishing, okay, wishing na sana makakita siya ng person like you, okay, if you are already married and this person is single, she or he is praying na sana makakita siya ng someone like you, okay. Kasi nakikita nito kung paano ka as a husband or a wife sa partner mo, kung married ka ha, kung family family person ka na, okay. Nakikita nito na maayos mo napapalaki yung mga anak mo, tapos nakikita niya na sweet ka sa wife mo, okay. It could be guys this is wishing and hoping, okay, or looking up on you, okay. It could be this person also idolize you, okay, for who you are as a parent, as a person, or as a whole, okay. Tingnan natin. Justice. Oh, okay. Meron ako narinig na it could be a water sign, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, ha. And meron ako nakikita dito, malakas na this person could be a feminine or a female, okay? A female person. This person is wishing on someone, okay? Wishing, praying, hoping for someone, okay? To have a balance, to have a justice, okay? Or it could be this person is a balanced person, okay? Or he or she look at you as a balanced person, a very balanced person, okay? May narinig din akong it could be a Libra. Or you could be a Libra. Chariot. Could be a fire sign. May narinig akong fire sign, okay? Or for some of you are not a family person, kung hindi ka family person or what. Or it could be you are the female, okay, pile number 1. Who is wishing or hoping to have a family na? To have a happy family na. Okay. This person is going towards you. Okay. Pwedeng mag-travel to papunta sa'yo. Meron ako nakita pwedeng this is a driver of a car, okay. It could be nakikita ka nito somewhere with his car, okay. With his car, what I mean is nagda-drive to ng car niya and nakikita ka niya sa vicinity somewhere, siguro malapit sa inyo, okay. Nakakasalubong ka nito. Tingnan pa natin. Oh, or it could be 10 of Pentacles and 6 of Cups. It could be from your childhood, okay. Pwedeng kababata mo to. Kababata mo to. Mhm. Or po pwedeng classmate mo 'to, it could be your schoolmate before elementary and you are having a reunion right now, ngayong holiday or ngayong December or magkikita kayo or magkakasalubong. Okay. This person looks at you and nakikita niya na you are a very kind person. Okay. Simple person. A childlike person. A very happy person. Mhm. Mhm. Water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Or maybe this person will travel papunta sa iyo. Okay. And siguro ito na yung siguro wini-wish somewhat wini-wish mo to itong person na to. Okay. And this person will travel papunta sa iyo. May nakikita akong ganun. Ooh, Tower. The Tower. May nakita ko dito, fire sign. Okay. Ooh. Pwedeng this person will confess sa'yo or will tell you that he or she is crushing on you or hinahangaan ka niya. Okay. Pwede tong mag-confess sa'yo na alam mo yon na hinahangaan ka niya. Okay. If you are a family person, okay. If you are a family person, if you are a person kung may asawa ka na or may family ka na, pwedeng magselos yung asawa mo dito. Pwedeng magselos yung asawa mo dito kapag nalaman niya. Siguro it could be kakilala din to ng asawa mo. Hindi natin alam. Mamaya baka kapitbahay nyo to. Pero number one, hindi natin alam. Okay. It will cause a disaster. Okay. Kapag kinonfront ka nitong person na to or if ever man na if you are married and then sinabi niya, halimbawa parang pabiro niya sinabi na, uy, nahangaan ko nga to eh, crush ko nga to eh. Ayan. It can cause chaos, okay, sa inyong mag-asawa if you are already in a relationship or in a family setup, okay. Sorry guys ha, may sipot kasi ako. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, para akong ngongo magsalita. Oh, the world. Okay. Sabi ko sa inyo this person will travel papunta sa iyo or pwede sigurong this is your childhood friend and then magkikita kayo sa isang reunion, okay? And maybe this is an overseas person. Okay, tas uuwi siya, halimbawa, magbabakasyon sa Pilipinas, tas makikita kayo, mag-meet up kayo sa isang reunion or any gathering, tapos, or maybe this could be your childhood crush also. Okay. Tingnan pa natin. Ooh, the sun. Okay. You could be a young person, okay? Pwedeng mas bata sa'yo to. Itong person na to. Okay, and you are older than this person. And mamaya baka biruin ka lang niya, sabihin niya nga sa'yo na gano'n, "Uy, crush kita, kuya," or what. Okay. A happy person, okay, a very happy person, an enthusiast person, okay, a very open person, which is, sabihin na natin, innocence, okay, this is, siguro siguro sasabihin niya yun na crush ka niya, pero out of an innocence, 'di ba? Parang wala lang sa kanya yun, siguro hinahangaan ka nga lang nito, even though you are a family person already, na pile number one. Okay, mamaya baka wala namang mali siya yun, tapos sabihin niya lang sa'yo, no, hinahangaan kita kasi, kasi, maayos mong napalaki yung mga anak mo, okay, po pwedeng ganon. Or, halimbawa, kung mas bata sa'yo to, pile number one, tapos mas may edad ka, sabihin niyan sa'yo, hinahangaan kita. It could be a guy, okay? Hinahangaan kita kasi maalaga ka sa partner mo. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Mas may nakikita ko ditong travel and wholeness. Okay. And meron ako nakikita dito na bata pa to eh. It could be a young person, tas ikaw parang much older mas older ka sa kanya. Okay. Kung halimbawang masculine ka naman, this person is a teenager or hindi naman teenager na sobrang bata. What I mean is mas bata siya sa'yo. She could be a 21 years old, okay. Or it could be, it could be from your past. Okay. And this person is reminiscing about you, okay. Tapos nakita kayo, alam mo, nakikita ka na niya ngayon na you are very matured na. May nakita kasi akong two card na nagpapakita na innocence, halimbawa bata pa. It could be a childhood crush nga, sabi ko nga. Tapos bigla kayo magkikita, okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Cricket, silence, non-action. Okay. Meron ako nakita dito na this person is silent, okay. Tahimik to na person, Or it could be hindi pa niya sinasabi sa'yo. Okay. Hindi mo pa alam, hindi pa niya sinasabi sa'yo. Okay. Hindi ka pa aware. Okay. Pero meron mangyayari ditong revelation kasi eh. Okay. Meron ako nakita dito. It could be your divorce partner. Meron ako nakita dito, pwedeng partner mo before. Okay. Signs. Synchronicity. Okay, this person is waiting for a sign to tell you that he or she is crushing on you or alam mo, hinahangaan ka niya. Okay. Siguro, this person is waiting for a right timing to talk to you. Okay, pile number one. It could be, this person is silent lang ngayon. So, tahimik lang siya, okay. Or this could be this person, hindi mo makikita sa kanya na this person is crushing on you or having some kind of feeling sa'yo. Okay, hindi mo mahalata sa kanya kasi this is a silent person, hindi niya pinapahalata, okay. Maybe, kaya hindi niya pinapahalata, okay, kasi you are already in a partnership or alam niya siguro baka may magselos, kaya hindi niya sinasabi or hindi niya kino-confess sa'yo. Okay. O pwede sigurong You could be a driver, okay? Um, meron akong nakitang could be a driver, a grab driver, a Lalamove driver, okay? You are driving, pwedeng ikaw tong person na to na you are driving a car. Tingnan natin. Happiness, okay? Wholeness. Two times na merong different card na lumabas which is symbolism of a wholeness, okay? Meron ako nakita talaga dito na this person is a wholesome person. Okay, maybe this is a young person. This is a young female or a male person. This person is always smiling. Okay. This person is timid. Okay. This person is a childlike person. Okay. So, young pa siya. So, siguro kung sasabihin niya sa iyo yun, yung guys, vice versa ha. It could be you are the young person and this person is the matured one or in partnership, or it could be this person is the young person and you are in the already married or in a partnership or may pamilya na. Okay? So, take what resonate, vice versa yon. Feminine, masculine, female, male. Okay? Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Entrapment, pregnancy, money, heart, string. Oh. So, ay, some of you, pa number 1, meron akong nakita Kasi tingnan mo ha. This is a pregnant female, right? This is a pregnant female. This is a child. Okay. This is a child. And this is a child. Tingnan mo ha. Okay. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, it could be a young person, it could be. But, can also be a female or a male that is may i-reveal sa'yo na she or he is crushing on you or has a feeling on you. Okay. Mamaya baka some kind of may marikindle dito if you are single, okay, and this person is single also, okay, and po pwedeng mamaya baka alam mo na it could be your husband or a partner. It could be your partner or your past person, if not, or this could be a new person na pwedeng maging partner mo, okay, and pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng child, okay. Kasi meron akong nakita kanina na this person somehow is wishing to have a family, okay, to have a child, okay. And maybe, if single to, pwedeng maging partner mo to. Okay, it could be. Okay. Pero kasi binakita rin ako na if you're a family person, okay, if you are a person na meron ka ng pamilya, may anak ka na, may asawa ka na, and maybe this person is pregnant, okay, pregnant right now, And nakita niya kung paano ka magpalaki ng mga anak mo. And she is adoring you. Okay? Ina-adore ka niya. May crush na ako. But somehow is humahanga siya sa'yo. He or she is crushing on you. Okay? Okay, tingnan pa natin. Vote. Receiving what you need, progression, arriving, moving on, closure issues. Moving on. Speaking of moving on, okay. Saan ba yun? Okay. Sabi ko nga, maybe you will receive a revelation that this person is crushing on you or has a feelings on you. Okay. Hinahangaan ka nito. Okay. And po pwedeng mag-cause yun ng tower moment or chaos. Okay. If you are already married. Okay. Or if you're in a partnership. Okay. Okay. Tingnan pa natin. Girl talk. Time with friends, moving on, happily single, living in the moment, having fun. Okay, maybe maybe this person is a young female, okay, it could be, and a single female, okay, and this person is a childlike person who is yun nga, yung innocent, wholesome, okay. Alam mo yon, alam mo naman kapag childlike, childlike, somewhat yung ugali kumbaga parang, playful pa, ganyan, okay. Mamaya, baka ikaw is a divorcee, okay, or hiwalay na sa asawa before, okay. Pero kasi minikita ko dito na maybe, you are older than this person. Yun na nga nakikita ko kasi. You are more matured on this person. It could be your friend. Okay? A female friend. Okay? Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Cassette. Outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. Okay. Sabi ko nga this person is somewhat na parang reminiscing, yun nga parang parang may nakikita talaga ako ditong may bata pa dito meron pa ditong young, okay, meron pa ditong young at age, okay, or sabihin natin young at personality, okay, playful, okay. Or po pwede na siguro, nagtapat na siguro sa itong person or nalaman mo na this person is crushing on you or may gusto sa'yo. Okay, po pwedeng ganun And you also crush this person, you also crushing in this person, and then nagtapat na siya sa'yo, okay? Nag-usap na kayo, okay? And maybe, you replaying, okay? Na yung scenario na kung saan niya sinabi sa'yo na may gusto siya sa'yo, may feeling siya sa'yo. Okay, it could be. Okay, it could be. Clock. Need time, takes time, in time, cycles, time to heal, progress. Okay. Meron akong nakita dito na okay. Meron akong nakita dito na some of you, pile number 1, is kakahiwalay lang sa partner. Okay? Or hiwalay sa partner na. Okay? And maybe you are in a healing process right now kung kailan nakilala mo tong person na to. Okay? And you take your time, okay? Kasi nga, maybe you are the single one, okay? Kasi meron akong nakita happily single na from, pwedeng, tawag dito, galing ka sa tower moment na, okay? Oo. Kumbaga, galing ka na sa partnership. Completion, meron ka ng completion sa partnership, parang ganun, parang meron ako nakita ditong kakahiwalay lang or hiwalay na, and maybe you are single and this person is single, oo, both single kayo, okay, and maybe kapag ka nagtapat sa itong person na to, kung sino man sa inyong dalawa ang magtatapat ng feelings na you are crushing this person or this person is crushing on you, maybe may progress doon sa sa emotions na ninyong dalawa. Okay? You are having fun right now with this person. Okay? You are you are talking with this person. Okay? Okay. Kasi tingnan mo two cards indicating that is in progression. So, maybe you are currently in progressing your feelings and you are happy right now, okay? Bumalik ka sa pagkabata, okay, with this person, pinapakalig ka nito, okay, nasa process kayo ulit ng ligawan, nagliligawan kayo ulit, parang ganon. May nakita akong ganon, ha? You are being playful right now, okay? Having fun with this person. Okay? Okay, last card. Love Oracle card. Okay, tingnan natin yung message. Trust. Transformation occurs through acceptance. Once you accept the current situation, it will automatically transform. I told you, okay. Maybe just trust the process, okay. Kung nasa process ka man ngayon ng rekindling emotions, okay. Nasa process ka ng healing, okay. Trust the process. Okay. Live in the moment, okay. So, cherish mo lang, enjoy mo lang yung moment ngayon. If halimbawang this person is you and this person are in talking stage right now, okay, nag-uusap kayo ngayon, and you are having fun with this person, trust, okay, kasi nga unti-unti naman magpa-progress ang magpa-progress ang emotions kung ano man yung meron kayo right now, okay. If you are in the first stage, okay, ng ligawan pa muna, okay. Meron akong nakitang gano'n first reading natin hindi naging ganito yung energy, okay, and bigla naging ganito kasi meron nga ako nakita na mas malakas yung energy na parang kung pwede ka galing ka sa hiwalayan, and then nakilala mo tong person na to, and mayroon nare-rekindle dito. This person is parang having a crush on you pa lang, okay, and nasa progression pa lang to ng transforming the emotion, okay, the feelings, okay. Sabi dito, live in the moment lang muna, wag madaliin, okay, wag kang ma-obsess. Okay, mamaya kasi iba sa inyo, baka madaliin sa pag-aasawa, okay. If there's kung halimbawa walang action pa muna ngayon, okay, and wala pang, what I mean is kasi process kasi yan emotions is a process, okay. Lahat is may process kasi. Okay, if you are asking for a sign, okay, so maybe this reading is a sign, okay. Just live in the moment, be happy, okay. Yun lang, kumbaga, be playful lang, okay. Okay, so pile number 1, this is your reading. I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. Kung hindi ka pa nag-subscribe, please do subscribe, leave a comment, okay. Show some love, okay, kung nag-resonate sa'yo to. Okay, so sinong may crush sa'yo? Maybe it could be your friend. A friend, okay. Meron din ako nakita dito na pwedeng nakilala mo to online, pwedeng nasa vicinity ng lugar ninyo, okay. Pwedeng malapit lang din sa'yo. It could be a family friend also, okay. So, meron akong nakitang ganyan. Pwedeng nakilala mo lang to somewhere. Okay. Meron ako nakita online eh. Or a childhood friend. Okay. Or from the past. Or basta kakilala mo from your childhood. Childhood, yung iba sa inyo, ha? Okay. So, thank you so much, fan number 1. Go na kay fan number 2. Maraming salamat. Bye! Hi, fan number 2. Good morning. Pasensyahan nyo na ha. Ako yung sinisipon. Meron akong sipon ngayon. Kaya kung maririnig nyo na para akong ngongo, pagpasensyahan nyo na, okay. So, file number 2. Kung file number 2 ang napili mo, so tingnan natin sino ang may crush sa'yo. So, tingnan natin kung sino ang may crush sa'yo. Sino ang humahanga sa'yo. Okay, sino ang ina-idolize ka. Okay. Crush is paghanga. Okay, guys. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na this is about partnership agad. Okay. It could be a friend. It could be a, sabihin na natin, kakilala. So, titingnan natin. And sana makita natin bakit kanya naging crush. Okay. Okay, so start na tayo. Meron kang mix na oracle deck. Love oracle, okay. Situations, island, time wellness, and tarot card. So, tingnan natin. Pan number 2, sino ang may crush sa'yo? Knight of Cups. Water sign. A young man. Okay. A young masculine. A very romantic masculine. Okay, this person is romantic. It could be pwede nanliligaw na to ngayon sa'yo. Pwedeng this person already express his or her feelings sa'yo. Pile number 2. Okay. This person is romantic to. Romantic. Magaling siyang magpakilig. Okay. A lover boy. So, tingnan pa natin. Water sign. 5 of Wands. Ooh. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Meron ako nakita dito, siguro, pile number 2. Ang ganda-ganda mo, okay? Maraming nagkaka-crush sa'yo. Pwedeng ganon, ha? Maraming gustong kumuha ng attention mo. Okay? Maraming nanliligaw sa'yo, ligawin ka. Pile number 2. Maraming nagkaka-crush, maraming humahanga sa'yo. Okay. 10 of Cups. Pile number 1, nakuha ang 10 of Cups. Nakakuha ka rin ng 10 of Cups also. Magkaiba nga lang ng deck. Pile number 2. It could be you are the wish fulfillment of these persons. Okay. It could be pamilyado ka na rin. Like pile number 1, ha? Yung iba sa inyo. Or it could be it could be sabihin natin nakikita ka nila has wish fulfillment okay. A wife material or a husband material, okay, kaya nag-aagawan to nakikita ka nila na maganda. Siguro nakikita nila na, uy, crush ko to si file number 2 kasi ang ganda nito. Siguro pag nagkaanak kami nito, maganda rin siguro magiging anak namin. O meron akong nakitang ganyan, kaya pinag-aagawan ka. File number 2. Tingnan natin. O, justice. Ooh. Okay. Maybe maybe. With the justice card, it could be another person, okay? Knight of Cups and a Justice po, pwedeng dalawang person ang nagkakagusto sa'yo, ha? So, meron na tayong dalawang character na lumabas dito, ha? It could be two person, maybe this person is older than you, yung nakakagusto sa'yo, and the other one is younger than you. Take what's resonate, pile number 2. Okay. Meron ako nakita dito, policeman. Merong higher ups, okay? A police, or working in a justice system, okay? Or a legal, pwedeng police, judge, kakagusto sa yung ganyan. Or a professional one, older than you, file number 1, ay, file number 2, sorry, baka meron kayong message sa file number 1. Oh, another person, King of Wands, fire sign. So, tatlong character na. Sabi ko sa'yo, file number 2, maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo. Aries to, ha. King of Wands. Okay. Two older masculine, okay, or a feminine, and one younger water sign. It could be you, ha? File number 2, it could be you are embody the King of Wands, which is a confident, okay? Funny, charming, okay? This Knight of Cups, somehow, meron siyang attitude or way, like King of Wands na may way with words, okay? So, this person is magaling din magsalita, okay? Pero kasi, this King of Wands is more mature than Knight of Cups. Okay. This Knight of Cups is sensitive, very emotion, pwedeng seloso, okay. This is a immature pa kind of a person. This Knight of Cups, okay. Mapusok. Okay. Another Knight. Okay, so ilang person na ba to? Ang haba ng hair mo, pile number 2. Okay, so 4 person. Okay, 4 person na or 4 male ang nandirito na, ha? Knight of Wands, fire sign again, but this time this is a knight, same with the Knight of Cups. So bata, 2 younger person versus 2 matured person, okay? This 2 younger person is a free-spirited person, okay? A flirt pa, passionate in a flirt. Mapusok pa tong dalawang to. Okay, these 2 younger persons is siya, assertive pa, impulsive pa, okay, ganun sila, kasi nga knight pa lang to, okay, knights versus these 2, justice and a King of Wands, okay, major arcana. Oh! King of Pentacles, Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Okay. 3 matured person, 2 young person. Okay. King of Pentacles, a successful and a wealthy person. Okay. A businessman, um, a secured one. Okay. A high status person. Meron akong nakita dito na ang haba-haba ng hair ni pile number 2. Kasi madaming nagkaka-crush sa kanya. 5 character na. Tingnan nyo this is a 5 character or a masculine character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at this one, 5 of wands. It has a 5 person on the card. Okay, so 5 person ang nagkakagusto kay pile number 2. Okay. May bata and may matured. Okay, so tingnan natin Tingnan natin. Surviving daily hustle. Okay. Okay, for some reason, pile number 2, you don't mind. Kung maraming nagkaka-crush sa'yo, why? Because you are busy on your hustle. Okay, on Pentacles, you are busy working. Maybe you are busy on business, okay, or in financial aspect of your life. Okay. Unconditional, genuine, certain love. Oh, okay. Itong mga nakakagusto sa'yo or may crush sa'yo, pile number 2, tinitingnan ka nila has a sweet person, a gentle person. Okay. Nakikita ka nila na ikaw yung klase ng person na can give you na unconditional love. Okay. Nakikita ka nila na you are a wife material, a husband material, kasi nga you can love unconditionally, and then you are very good on finances. Okay. So, responsible ka din na person. File number 2. Receipt. Proof, show me. Okay. Meron ako nakikita dito na some of you pile number 2, maybe these persons will give you a gift. Okay. They will give you a gift, or you're a kind of a person na napakalaga sa'yo ng actions. Okay. Actions speak louder than words. So, mas mahalaga sa'yo yung kung sino yung magpo-first move, kung sino yung manunuyo, kung sino yung mag-show ng talagang sincerity sa'yo, kung sino yung talagang mag-show sa'yo ng unconditional love. Okay. Yun yung gusto mo. Gusto mo kasi yung spontaneous kind of a person. Okay. Meron akong nakukuhang ganon. Mahalaga sa'yo yung hindi lang words sinasabi na may gusto sa'yo o kaya nililigawan ka. Mahalaga sa'yo yung actions. Okay. Mahalaga yung sinushow sa'yo, pinapatunayan na may gusto talaga sa'yo. Okay. So, yon yung perspective mo. Next card, retaliation, punish, payback, revenge. Okay. Sabi ko nga sa iyo you're a kind of a person na mahalaga sa iyo yung show me. Okay, show me some proof or prove to me na ikaw yung karapat dapat. Parang ganon. Okay. Um, yung ginagawa mo naman, pile number 2, is not some kind of a punishment, okay? Or parang, yung parang kang nagpapahabol. No. Mahalaga sa'yo kasi yung patunayan sa'yo na seryoso sa'yo, patunayan sa'yo na talagang hindi lang sa salita na sinasabi na ganito, ganyan. Gusto mo yung talagang ipoprove sa'yo or ipoproof, may proof na talagang hindi lang puro salita yung person, kundi sa gawa. Okay? Kaya nga, meron ako nakikita dito na some kind of, alam mo yon, competition. Okay? Competitive. Okay? Okay. Compete. Nagko-compete sila. Okay. Para sa 10 of Cups. Okay. 10 of Cups is a wish fulfillment. Okay. This is the completed cards of cups. Okay. Okay. So, next. Stab in the back, heartbreak, pain, separation, deception, shocking, attack. Okay. What I sense here, okay. Ayaw mo kasi sa deceptive na person. Okay, maybe you are having a heartbreak before, kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo, pal number 2, is having a trust issue or halimbawang hindi basta-basta na nagtitiwala. Okay. Oo. Siguro, nagiging ano ka ngayon nagiging matibay yung boundary mo ngayon na kailangan mapatunayan talaga nila na talagang tapat sila sa'yo or may unconditional or certain kind of, ano yun, love sila talaga sa'yo na hindi lang puro salita. Kasi nga, alam mo yun, siguro before na-stab ka na in the back or meron nang naging deceptive sa'yo. Okay. Kaya siguro naging ganyan yung parang pananaw mo or yung attitude mo towards them. Okay, na nagkakagusto sa'yo or kung may nanliligaw man sa'yo. Okay. Twin flame. Yin yang, zen, balance, union, duality, coupling, complement each other. Okay, maybe maybe dito sa mga guys or feminine, pero malakas kasi nararamdaman ko mga masculine to guy to na nagkakagusto sa'yo, siguro yung isa sa kanila is your twin flame. Okay, yung isa sa kanila is your yin, tapos ikaw ang yang, or this person is a yang and you are yin. Okay. Isa sa kanila yung parang certain love mo. Okay. Or you are searching for your twin flame. Okay. Kaya ganun na lang yung yung boundary mo. Okay, kaya ganun kataas yung yung standard mo, okay, yung ground mo, okay. Siguro titingnan mo kung sino sa kanila yung magsusurvive or tatagal. May nakita akong gano'n. Titingnan mo tingnan natin kung sino, show me kung sino sa inyo ang magsusurvive. Okay? Or magtatagal. Yun ang yun ang tinitingnan mo ngayon. Okay, so tingnan natin yung love oracle messages mo, pile number 2. When you pass from this world, you take nothing with you but your soul and the memories you have shared with those you love. Okay. Okay. Pile number 2, meron akong nakita dito. Maybe, okay. Meron akong nakita dito na hindi mahalaga sa'yo ang material na kayang ibigay ng person. Meron akong nakita dito na may naramdaman ako na material things is nothing para sa'yo. Kasi siguro, alam mo na kapag ka nawala ka dito sa mundo, hindi mo naman madadala yon. Okay? Kaya nonsense sa'yo yon kung sino man yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng mga gift, ganyan. Okay. Ang gusto mo kasi siguro is yung, yun nga yung kayang patunayan what is unconditional love. Okay. What is a certain love. Okay. Kayang i-prove sa'yo. Okay. Yung totoong meaning nun, nung love na yon. Okay. Kaya ka siguro ganun na lang kataas ang boundary. Okay. At standard pagdating sa mga nagkakagusto sa'yo or crushing on you, pile number 2. Kasi nga, mahalaga yung memories eh. Okay. Memories you have shared. Hindi, wala kang pakialam sa material thing. Kaya nga, sabi mo nga mas mahalaga sa'yo yung actions. Okay. Mahalaga sa'yo yung hindi lang puro salita. Okay. Gusto mo yung talagang pinapatunayan, ginagawa, pinapakita talaga na seryoso sa'yo. Okay? Kasi yun yung i-cherish mo eh. Hindi naman yung material things kung sino yung nakakapagbigay eh. Okay. So, yun yung nakita ko dito. When you pass from this world, you take nothing with you but your soul and the memories you have shared with those you love. You are looking for your twin flames, okay? Your genuine, certain, or true love, okay? Right now, kaya kahit maraming nakaka-crush sa'yo, siguro pal number 2, vice versa, take what resonate, is you are standing your ground, talagang talagang siguro you are focused on your work right now, wala kang pakialam sa kanila kung marami mo nagkaka-crush sa'yo. Okay. Okay, so pile number 2, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading natin. So, pwede kang bumalik kay pile number 1. Mamaya baka meron ka messages doon. Okay, so please do subscribe, like, and share some love. Okay, show some love. Comment ka kung nag-resonate sa'yo to. So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. Pile number 2, sino ang may crush sa'yo? Actually, marami sila. Maraming nakaka-crush sa'yo. Kaso nga lang, yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, you are looking on your twin flame, your certain love, yung true. Okay, you are looking for a true love, okay? Show a proof. Kung sino ba dyan sa mga nagkakagusto sa'yo, yung talagang can stand or can survive you. Okay, so maraming nakakagusto sa'yo, mahaba ang hair mo, pile number 2. So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to, pile number 2, okay? So, maraming salamat. Okay, don't skip ad, okay? So, tulong nyo na sa akin yun, pile number 2. Okay, maraming salamat again. Magandang umaga. Bye!